100 sentences, all about your daily life, all in English. Say every single one after me. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home. That's your day in English. By the end of this episode, you'll have 100 real English sentences living in your head. I say it, you repeat it. 100 times. Let's see if you can make it to the end. I'm Camila, and this is English with Camila. If this is your first time, welcome. Let's start. "100 sentences, all about your daily life. Morning, work. Afternoon, evening, night. We go section by section. I say it, you repeat it. Every single one. Don't skip. Don't rush. Say each sentence like you mean it. Let's go. Section 1. Waking up. Sentences 1 to 10. I wake up. I wake up. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I yawn. I yawn. I check the time. I check the time. I hit the snooze button. I hit the snooze button. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I check my phone. I check my phone. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I don't want to get up. I don't want to get up. 10 sentences, 90 to go. Section 2. The bathroom. Sentences 11 to 20. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I wash my hair. I wash my hair. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I put on my skincare. I put on my skincare. I get dressed. I get dressed. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. 20 down, 80 to go. You're doing great. Section 3. Breakfast. Sentences 21 to 30. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I skip breakfast. I skip breakfast. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I drink tea. I drink tea. I eat toast. I eat toast. I eat eggs. I eat eggs. I eat fruit. I eat fruit. I don't have time to eat. I don't have time to eat. I eat standing up. I eat standing up. I pack my bag and leave. I pack my bag and leave. 30 done, 70 left. Keep going. Section 4. Getting to work or school. Sentences 31 to 40. I leave the house. I leave the house. I take the bus. I take the bus. I take the train. I take the train. I drive to work. I drive to work. I walk to work. I walk to work. I work from home. I work from home. I arrive at the office. I arrive at the office. I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk. I start my computer. I start my computer. I check my emails. I check my emails. 40 sentences. You're halfway there. Section 5. During the day. Sentences 41 to 50. I have a meeting. I have a meeting. I answer emails. I answer emails. I make phone calls. I make phone calls. I take a break. I take a break. I eat lunch. I eat lunch. I eat at my desk. I eat at my desk. I go out for lunch. I go out for lunch. I drink another coffee. I drink another coffee. I feel tired in the afternoon. I feel tired in the afternoon. I can't wait to go home. I can't wait to go home. 50 done, 50 to go. You're exactly halfway. Section 6. After work. Sentences 51 to 60. I finish work. I finish work. I pack up my things. I pack up my things. I head home. I head home. I get home. I get home. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I change my clothes. I change my clothes. I sit on the couch. I sit on the couch. I check my phone again. I check my phone again. I decompress. I decompress. I finally relax. I finally relax. 60 sentences, 40 left. Almost there. Section 7. Evening activities. Sentences 61 to 70. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I order food. I order food. I eat dinner. I eat dinner. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I watch TV. I watch TV. I watch a series. I watch a series. I scroll on my phone. I scroll on my phone. I call a friend. I call a friend. I go for a walk. I go for a walk. I read a book. I read a book. 70 down, 30 to go. Don't stop now. Section 8. Getting ready for bed. Sentences 71 to 80. I get ready for bed. I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth again. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. I wash my face. I put on my pajamas. I put on my pajamas. I set my alarm. I set my alarm. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I get into bed. I get into bed. I close my eyes. I close my eyes. I try to sleep. I try to sleep. 80 sentences, 20 left. Final stretch. Section 9. Feelings throughout the day. Sentences 81 to 90. I feel tired. I feel tired. I feel energized. I feel energized. I feel stressed. I feel stressed. I feel calm. I feel calm. I feel motivated. I feel motivated. I feel bored. I feel bored. I feel overwhelmed. I feel overwhelmed. I feel productive. I feel productive. I feel exhausted. I feel exhausted. I feel ready for tomorrow. I feel ready for tomorrow. 10 more. You've got this. Section 10. The last 10. Full sentences, natural pace. I start my day early and end it late. I start my day early and end it late. I always feel better after a good night's sleep. I always feel better after a good night's sleep. Some days go by fast. Others feel like they never end. Some days go by fast. Others feel like they never end. I try to make time for myself every single day. I try to make time for myself every single day. My routine isn't perfect, but it's mine. My routine isn't perfect, but it's mine. I'm learning to take things one day at a time. I'm learning to take things one day at a time. Every day is a chance to practice your English a little more. Every day is a chance to practice your English a little more. I said it in English. You repeated it in English. I said it in English. You repeated it in English. That's 100 sentences. That's 100 sentences. And you made it to the end. And you made it to the end. 100 sentences, done. Morning, work, afternoon, evening, night. All in English. Come back and do this again tomorrow. The more you repeat, the more natural it gets. I'm Camila. See you in the next episode.